Okay, today we are talking about how to install a doorknob on a new door. So you bought a new slab door like this for your home or business, and now you need to drill the holes for the doorknob and deadbolt. Here's a kit you can buy. This one's made by Irwin. There's other makes and models out there in the marketplace. Buy them at Lowe's, Home Depot, Ace Hardware, Amazon, eBay, etc. And they come with everything you see here. There's a template here that allows you to notch out for where the latch plate goes. There's a 2-inch hole saw to drill through the door for the door handle. There's a smaller 1-inch hole saw that allows you to drill into the edge of the door where the latch goes through the door. And you can adjust the back set, whether you have 2 3/8 or 2 1/4. These kits range anywhere from $20 to $50, again, depending on where you buy it, what kit you buy. So on the scrap piece of 2x4, I want to show you how this little template works. And it comes with this little router bit that you chuck up into your cordless drill driver. So first you would screw this to the edge of your door where the door latch needs to be. Chuck the attachment into your drill, and that little attachment simply follows around that little template to give you an outline of where you need to notch out with your hammer and chisel. So it gives you that nice clean finish, gives you those rounded corners that you want for a clean look on the edge of your door. And simply take a nice sharp chisel like this and a hammer and chisel out the material to the exact depth that the tool made in the wood for you. You can see it does a pretty nice job. And then after this, you would go ahead and drill your 1-inch hole. But just for an example, I'll show you how this looks with the strike plate or the latch plate attached. Then you go ahead and screw this guide to the edge of your door with the 2 screws. Again, lined up with the mortise you made for the latch plate. Use a 2-inch hole saw and just slowly and carefully drill straight through the door. Then chuck the 1-inch hole saw and drill through the edge of the door all the way through into that 2-inch hole. Remove the 2 screws, remove the guide. There you go. Go ahead and reattach your new latch assembly first, the 2 screws. Then install your door handle. Make sure you orient the door handle properly. Again, 2 screws. Make sure you line up the screws properly. Don't cross thread them. And you're good to go. Woo! Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.